What's today?
A snow day!
Snow day! Just like I predicted, they canceled school. So Sydney's home. We've had a relaxing, chill morning. And we're gonna go ahead. What are we making? Do you remember what we're making?
Gingerbread garland.
Yep. So we're gonna make like a salt dough gingerbread garland homemade DIY thing. I don't think I've made them since I was young. Should be very straightforward and easy. They just have to bake for a long time.
Yummy.
We've got flour, some kosher salt,
Kosher salt.
I guess, ground cinnamon and cloves, and then a little gingerbread cookie cutter. And they're gonna bake in the oven for a couple of hours, and I thought it would be a perfect day to do that. So let's give it a go. We're just home. We're just home having a snow day today, and we'll see where the day takes us. Probably some baking.
And I'm
Later
play
on, I was just gonna say later on, definitely playing outside. It's just coating the ground now. Should be picking up later. We'll get a couple inches, I think. So it'll be a fun day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, high five. Let's do this.
6, 7, 3, 1.
Is that happening in your household too? So 1 cup and a half a cup. And then oh, you're just grabbing them all? Okay. Yeah, perfect. You can go ahead and dump it in the bowl. It doesn't have to, like, we're not baking to eat, so it doesn't have to be like perfect, you know? 1 cup of flour?
No, 2.
You did 2 of these. 2 halves make,
A full.
so you did 1 cup of flour. This is a half a cup.
Oh.
Plus a half a cup equals 1 cup, right?
Oh. I guess I did 1 of the 2.
Yeah. That was
Sparkles is always cold. Woo!
I shocked you.
Yeah, but dude. And it's closer to the edge. Push him down. Like with the toothpick.
250, I think, or it's to make eyes. Oh, that's cute. Now, one of the recipes said to bake them upside down. So flip them over and bake them. I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not, but we'll see.
Sorry.
Okay, now these are going to go in the oven at 250 for a couple of hours. We'll test them out, see if they are cooked. Yes, it is lunchtime. Sydney's telling me she's hungry. I had plans on making grilled cheese because I knew it was going to be a snow day, but I forgot to make bread last night and I have no bread. So I'm just going to make her a little, essentially like a little snack plate. When we were at the grocery store yesterday, they were giving out samples of this. It's made in Maine, like right, not even far from here. Beet and carrot dip spread. They had 3 different flavors and essentially kind of like a hummus, but it's so delicious. So we're gonna do that with some pita crackers. I've got, I don't know, we've got turkey pepperoni, some grilled chicken slices, peppers. I do want to go ahead and make some bread, but I guess I could prep that now, even though I just cleaned my counters. But look at the color on this. It just tastes like you're eating fresh ingredients.
Please sparkle. Yeah, better not.
So this is her snack lunch plate. Make no mistake, she has been snacking already. So this is light, and we will definitely, I'll give her more or whatever if she is still hungry. But she just had what, a granola bar, applesauce. Anyway.
Don't double dip.
I'm not double dipping. You know me better than that. It's so good. But we are a beet loving family. Always have been.
Wait. What if on the number 1 there's a paper sign and it says, let's buy stuff?
Nice solutions. Things that are supposed to be hand washed, like sweaters. I cannot be bothered. So I stick them in this little lingerie bag or whatever it's called. Delicates bag. And then I lay it flat to dry. So far, this is not laundering advice, but so far so good. It's time to play outside. I need to layer my little socks.
And this is like, hurry up! And you're like, I'm coming, just say stuff. And then you took like 2 hours, and I'm like, ow. When I got outside, I'm like, finally some fresh air.
Okay, before I go out, I like to always pre-plan and pre-think of things. So sometimes we take off our snow gear in the garage, but sometimes we have to walk in and out of the house. I gotta try to protect the hardwood floor, even though it's already got water damage in some spots. Now we can put our snowy gear on this if we have to walk in and out. I need to go get my wool socks because cold feet. Okay, wool socks, check. Okay, we are ready. I don't know if you can hear me, the washing machine is going. Sydney's basketball, her very first basketball practice is canceled because of the snow, obviously. But that means she's gonna have her first game on Saturday with 0 practices. And she's never played basketball before, so she doesn't even know what out of bounds is or the rules. So I'm gonna try to tell her or teach her or have her watch. I don't know. It's just no pressure, like super fun kids basketball, but I also don't want her to feel discouraged because some of the other kids probably have already played before. Anyway, let's go enjoy some snow.
You're stepping on my snow angel!
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Not much. Ah, it's icy. Make you a pile?
Yeah.
Officially freezing. My gloves were soaking wet, but we had a blast outside, of course. The gingerbread garland or slash ornaments are done. Let's see if it will focus. Anyway.
Mama,
What?
can
We'll flip
I
them all
give
over.
that one to sparkles?
Yeah, of course.
I'm give the ornament to sparkles.
Perfect. All right, so I'll just let them cool for a little bit longer. What time is it now, Sydney? Not what actual clock time is it, but what are we doing now?
Hot cocoa time.
Hot cocoa time. So Sydney opened her advent this morning, and it was hot cocoa day. So we're gonna make some homemade hot cocoa. I have mix in the pantry, and we're gonna heat up some milk. We're gonna put some marshmallows in there. All right, so I keep a jar of homemade hot cocoa mix in the pantry. I have a YouTube short on this. It's just cocoa. I love using Ghirardelli. It's just my favorite flavor, or yeah, flavor profile. Sugar and a touch of salt. That's pretty much it. And then I like using milk. You can just use water or whatever.
And our candy bag. I don't even think we will, but let me just look.
And then I do, I mean, you can make it as cocoa-y, as rich as you'd like, but I do like 1 or 2 heaping spoonfuls of this per cup, but per drinking cup. Oh man, Mom.
Oh my. Oh, okay.
Why am I making such a mess? Oh, wow.
And I'll eat this one.
Okay. Cheers. She's like, what do you mean I've already started? Cheers. I think it's time to go ahead and string some of these. Sydney has the one that she's going to give to Sparkles. And I can't find any of my ribbon. I saved some from the gifts last year from Sydney's because they were cute. But I do have this twine that I used to hang up Sydney's advent calendar. So let's see. See if we can get this strung. It's gonna be cute. Now I'm just gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna hang it.
That one looks like it's red.
Sydney decided to put eyes and smiley faces on them to make them look even more festive.
And I need to have buttons.
I can tie them first and then spread them out after.